Hello, Mike with Views here in our office in San Jose, California, and today we'll talk about the efficiencies of different systems, efficiencies of the air conditioners, heat pumps, furnaces, fan coils, that kind of stuff. Which equipment to select to get the best efficiency out there. I don't want to get too much into professional details, but there are a few things you could consider. Is something called the SEER rating. It's SEER and HSPF. SEER stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Rating, and HSPF stands for Heating Seasonal Performance Factor. The higher the ratings are, the more efficient system is. Like one of these units, for example, it is approximately about 19 SEER and 11 HSPF. It's very efficient, also very quiet as well. We do this mostly for the heat pump installations and ductless units. We use this unit, probably one of the most efficient ones. The SEER for this is about 25 and HSPF about 13. So you cannot go higher than this today, probably. I mean, maybe later. Well, obviously, every year new products come out that become more efficient. If you think about the efficiency, this could be one thing to do the efficiency. Another is you can obviously do the insulation, install nicer windows, you can do zoning and so on. So many things is efficiency, not just the units, but the whole picture should be. Once we come to the project site, to your property, to take a look at it, we'll see the whole picture and give you the best advice what needs to be done. So we would not simply advise you to put the most efficient unit just because it is. We'll take a look at your house and see what's going on, how else we can squeeze out as much efficiency as possible, at the same time preserve your budget so you have the perfect equipment at the great price. If you have any questions about estimates, or please contact us. We'll come out to your house and make an assessment and give you the best advice could be for the system. Thank you.